Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with
RoRo.Rainy.
and today I first off want to apologize because my intro wasn't working on my most recent video, but I don't know why, so sorry about that, but hopefully it'll work this video. So second of all, I am giving full credit to James Charles for this look. I know he's not everyone's favorite or anything, but I do still like how he does his makeup. I think it's pretty, and yeah. So I really love this makeup look that he did, which is right here. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna try my best. I'm not like an amazing makeup artist or anything, but I can do my makeup. So we're gonna try. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to get notified every time that I post. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up down below. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so also I am very stuffy right now. I'm very sorry about that. Allergies. So I am going to start off with foundation. I have all my makeup right here. I'm not at my vanity right now because there's a lot of stuff in front of it, because I hurt my leg very badly. Not everyone knows that, but that's why I'm sitting and I haven't been filming very much because I have to use crutches. So sorry. But this is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. It's in the shade 120, which is Classic Ivory. It's kind of too warm for me, but it's really light coverage. It's light to medium coverage. It's just buildable. But I don't like to do a lot of foundation anyway, so it's fine for me. I'm gonna go damp my beauty blender and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. I'm gonna do probably about a dime size. How much? And then I'm just gonna apply this to my face using my beauty blender, and I'm gonna blend it in. So I'll be back. Okay, so I definitely got too much. I still have quite a bit left on my hand, but I'm not putting on any more. It's already a little bit more coverage than I usually go for, so I'm just gonna wipe this off and we'll move on to concealer. Okay, so because I already have a bit of coverage on my skin, I'm just gonna go in with the Kokie Professional Be Bright Illuminating Concealer, and there isn't a shade. So I got this from an Ipsy package. A lot of my makeup is pretty cheap, but it works fine for me, so I'm just going to apply this under the eyes, on my forehead, on the tip of my nose, and probably on my chin. Alright. Alright, and next I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. This is just translucent powder. I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm gonna use my mini sponge, which I used to put in my concealer, in this, and I'm just gonna set everything in place. Alright, now that is all on, I'm going to move on to blush. I don't do contour or bronzer. I mean, I could. We'll do some. I'm just going to use my Makeup my makeup, my eyeshadow palette to get like a bronzer color, and yeah, so here's that. Okay, that actually worked. I was surprised. And now I'm going in with my Color Bash Cosmetics Don't Make Me Blush blush, and it looks like that. I go for peachy tones, and I like the shimmers, so here you go. Okay, and up next is highlighter. So I'm going in with the Pixie Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey, and I'm just going to take this highlighter shade, and I'm going to dip it in, and then I'm going to take my setting spray and just give that, one squirt. That was actually more than one, but that's because it all came back on me. And then when I apply it, ooh. And I'm just going to be applying this on my cheekbones, my forehead, like right above my eyebrows, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. So here's that. Okay, I'm really proud of myself. My face looks really good right now. But also this highlight, tea. So I'm gonna move on to eyebrows. And I'm using the Ico London brow liner. This is in the shade medium, which is not my shade. This is more of like a green brown. No shade to Ico, but like it's pretty nasty. So that's what it looks like. Like you can see that it looks green. But I use this because I don't have anything else. So I just like to fill in like a couple little spots, and I go very lightly so that it is my shade. So here we go. Okay, so now that those are done, they're but whatever. It wasn't a big difference, so I don't really care. I'm going in with my Morphe palette, number 350. This is Nature Glow, or Natural Glow. Looks like this. Very pretty. And I'm just gonna do the makeup look. So this is like where it all comes in, that eyeshadow look. So here we go. Okay. I finished both of my eyes. Also, they do not look like this photo. I printed it out. It's not the same. But, you know what? I tried. I had to give it my own twist. Also, I've never really done my eyeliner before. So, I think that it was pretty good for my, first official time of doing both eyes, and they're pretty even. So, and he is definitely wearing false lashes. Oh my god, I don't own false lashes, so I just put on mascara. Now, he has faux freckles on right now. really want to do that. But I will put on a lipstick. This is the Lip Crayon by Absolute New York. This is in the shade, this one. They don't have shade names or anything, so. Also, this is not very nude like his is, but I don't have anything else, so. The only other lipstick I have is bright red, because my nude lipstick was crusty, so. And then we're just going to go in with a champagne looking gloss. This one is by Soft Lips. It's the Pearl Gloss, and it has SPF in it, so. But that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of all over the place, but I don't know. I'll do a montage right now, so hold on. I forgot to put on setting spray, so here's that clip now. So I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline New York Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna spray this just like James, lots, and that is the final look. So here you go. Oh, she ain't very cute. The eyeshadow on this eye actually looks a little bit better than this eye. I don't really know. But my skin looks really good today. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I did really good. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, like I said. Comment down below if you wear makeup, just like every day, or like sometimes, or whatever. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.